Alright, here's my spray bar. It's all black PVC and lock line. It's all bought with parts that I've ordered from Savco at savco.com. And what I've done here with the 45s at the bottom is offset to try to distribute the water pressure evenly to both ends of the spray bar. And at the top, this 90, I have shortened it by about 1/2 of an inch in the saw, and that goes into a T. This one piece I bought at Lowe's. I didn't have the piece I needed, but it's available too at Savco. Thanks for the idea, Tony, of putting the short nipple in the back of the overflow, and this T will here's the lock line that will break Siphon here, and it goes into the T. Has a valve. The valve on the lock line here, that way I can distribute the pressure between the two however it need be. And then on the back of the tank in the overflow, oh, you gotta say hi to Callie. Yeah, she's a sweetheart. But on the back of the overflow here, the front of it, is a short nipple that goes into the fitting on the return. And that's what the T will screw to. Now in the tank, you can see the holes in the spray bar. I used 1/8 inch drill, and they're about 1 1/8 inch apart. Marked with a silver Sharpie at the intervals that I wanted, and then I drilled the holes close to that. But actually some of the holes are down, some are rather forwards. Nothing's really pointing upwards. I'm really hoping that I don't get any vibration when the water pressure gets to it. With the T together here, there's one little piece of awesomeness here I want to refer to. These two fittings that come together from the lock line down to the 45 offset here are going to come together with 0 distance between the two. All I have to do is cut a little short piece of PVC to go in between the two fittings and snug them together, and it's going to be tight, but it's a perfect fit. And then it'll all scoot to the back to within about 1 inch and a half, something like that. See what I'm talking about with the lack of distance that I have for surface agitation. It's as short as I can get it. There is not a single section of lock line between the PVC and the valve and the flare. It's all just as short as I can get it. It does pivot at the flare, and I can rotate the T. Nothing's glued together. It's all just snugged together, and I mean all the way out to the end caps. Nothing's glued. And here's the spray bar installed.